Hello student, good morning to everyone. In the last video we have discussed about the linked list. This today's video is consists of the advantages of linked list over the linear array, and we will see the advantages. Before that we should have to know the detailed concept about the linked list. That the main concept is linked list is useful for showing the link from one node to another node. It contains the data element. It shows the link part with the address of next node, and the address of last node shows the null pointer. The linked list is very easiest way to add a new node or delete a node from itself. It is better than the linear array. These are the some common advantages of that. We will see the detail in our video about the advantages of list over array. So look at the question number 13. This tells us that what are the advantages of linked list over linear array. Advantages over linear array means we should have to compare with the linear array, and advantages of linked list with the over the array is as follows. We can see at the top side, to store array in a memory require consecutive memory locations. To store array require consecutive memory location, while to store linked list consecutive memory location are not required. Whenever we study about the linear array, actually we have studied in our last some videos about the linear array. Linear array was there. If we want to store the data element, then there should be the consecutive memory location for the array. We have already discussed about the memory locations, how can we store the data at the different memory location inside the linear array. There will be the consecutive memory location will be there. But in linked list there is no need to store the data with the consecutive memory location. So it is very easiest way to add the new data whenever necessary. There is no need to add the consecutive memory location. You can change the address. You can take any address of data, any address of the link node is there. You can directly connect the first node to the last node. If there will be the attachment, there is no type of consecutive memory location. You can add any type of data of any place. Okay, so array cannot be easily extended, while linked list can be easily extended. If you want to extend the array, then it is very hard, because the number of array elements are constant. Generally arrays are static type of, while linked list is a dynamic type. You can add many type of data, but in array it is limitation. There is some limitation is there. It is very hard to add a new data. It cannot be easily extended. It can be extended but cannot be easily extended the array. But linked list can be easily extended whenever you put the address of new node at the address part of the previous node. So it is very easiest way to add a new element inside the linked list than the array. There is very complicated procedure to insert an element in an array. I have already told in the last point also. Insert a new element in array is very complicated. Insert a new element in linked list is very easy. Similarly, deletion of the new element in the array is very complicated. Deletion of the linked element is deletion of an element in the linked list is very easiest way. So in the linked list you can add the new element is very easiest way, or to delete a new element is very easiest way, while in the array it is very hard. It is not very easiest way. to add the new element or to delete the existing element from the array is very complicated. Just keep the different thing in your mind. That will set your mind for solving the different questions while you are facing the exams or while you are doing study. Whenever you want to write a answer of the questions, then that time that points will be helpful, very helpful to you. Linked list can be easily implemented and maintained in computer memory. Linked list can be easily implemented and maintained in a computer memory. Whenever you want to maintain a linked list, you want to store the linked list data inside the memory of the computer, then it is very easiest way to add the different type of data inside the linked list. It is very easily maintained, easily managed in the computer memory. So it is very best way, easiest way to implement a new data, maintain the data inside the inside the computer memory. So linked list is better than the linear array. So easily you can write the answer of the linked list. Also you can take examples of array and linked list. You can show the examples there that will extend your question, extend your answer about the given question. You can explain any diagram for comparing the both linked list and the array. So that will be possible to get more marking in your exam. This question can be asked for at least 3 mark for 6 point. You should have to write 6 point there for getting a full mark with the given question. This is very short question, but if in the exam that question could ask, that time any other question also can be asked for that. For example, what is linked list, and write down the advantages of linked list over the linear array. So this question will divide with the different marking. That definition will gives you 1 marking. You should have to draw a diagram there about the linked list also, and half mark will be divided with the definition of the linked list, means the division of the node with the link part and info part. You should have to explain. Just explain in short the definition. If exam department is asking with you, just explain in short for 1 marking, and 2 marking will be given to the differences for the advantages of linked list over the linear array. You can explain in detail very well as per your knowledge. If you are watching this video again and again, and then at least 2 times you are watching this video and write down your own notes, then that time I am very sure that you will gain the better knowledge than you acquired by reading the textbook. You can get the better knowledge with the great effect by reading and writing process also. So best of luck student for your future, for getting a more marking in the exam. So thankful for watching this video. Best of luck. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.